Welcome to my channel once again. Welcome to Nikki O Craft, where we teach bag making. Kindly subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and comment, and do not forget to share. Thank you. Okay, I will be showing you in this video how I make this beautiful flower vase. It's just a small one, so let's go.
Yes.
Okay, so we want to make this flower vase. This is the cup we'll be using. For this thing, we need cup. We need different flowers. We need cement and we need stones. So the first thing I will do now is to just arrange. Okay, let me just put some stones inside. I don't want the stone to be too much so that it will not be too heavy. So let me just now see it. After putting the stone, I will put my cement. I'll add water to the cement. I want to make it to be watery. I want the cement to be somehow watery. This cement is not enough, so I'll just pour it inside this cup and add some water to it. Just to hold it down. That's the excess of this cement. You can see, it will not be too watery. Just for it to hold it down. The water is too much, so I'm trying to pour this. I've exhausted my cement now. So after doing this, I have to clean this cup. Is it finished?
Yes.
I have to clean the cup so that they won't be stain.
The inside and the outside.
So just make sure you clean it immediately before the cement will come. Pause it, pause it, pause it. So yeah,
I cleaned.
so now I've cleaned the cup. So I'll just look for a way to insert my flowers into it. Now see it, just insert your flowers and see what I have here. So just try and insert your flower. This one too, just insert it to it. Just arrange the flower. This one does not even have it. I'll share. This one also not. So you can see.
It's not showing. Not showing. It's showing. It's showing now.
No, I have a flower vase. This is the flower I have here. So if you have beautiful flowers too, you can I just want to use this as a prop for snapping my bags. So this is what I will just use. So I will leave it for it to dry till tomorrow so that
Mommy, it's not showing.
I'll just leave it for it to dry till tomorrow. Make sure you push it inside so that it will. The red is not showing, but I shall leave it. That's the flower I have. I don't like this one, but you can see it. So that's how I'll just put it beside my bag and snap. So as it is, now I'll go and put it somewhere for it to get dry. Maybe tomorrow to be dry. So do you like this? So it depends on what you have. So it is something you can just make at home. So thank you. When it's dry, I will show you again when it is dry. So that is all we have. So bye.